I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable SMTP on your Zoho Mail. So to get started, you have to go to Zoho Mail and then log into your account. And then from there, all you have to do is just click on your account right here. And then to go to click on my accounts. And then it will redirect you to the next page where you go to security and then go app passwords. And then from there, you have to generate a new password. Just set up a server name, and then after that you have to verify a email, and then after email you just have to copy this generated password, and then you go to third apps, just go to this link, and then from there you have to input your SMTP server, your port, security, your username, and then you have to paste your generated password here right there. So I'm gonna paste that one, and then go to your from email address where you want to send, are you going to send, or after you want to, where do you want to send it. So from there you have to test it, and then as you can see it's now generated, and then you have to go to email to check if it's working. So from here just go to spam, and then from there you have received your email. So that's how to turn on or enable SMTP in Zoho Mail.